In this video, we will show you how to change file extension on Windows 11. As you can see here, in the default after installation of Windows 11, the extension of the file is not appear. For example, this is a file on the desktop, and first before we change the extension, we need to show the extension files, and you can click the explorer where is your file located, and you can click view in here and select show and go to file name extension. Please check this, and you can see now the extension is appear. You can also go to the desktop. Now the file has been appear with the extension. You can rename and select the extension. For example, you can change to .rar. Okay, then you can also change the name to another, for example. Okay, you can see it's also you can change on the file explorer like this. Okay, that's all tutorial how to change file extension on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.